Good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to you all in today's maths class. In yesterday's class, we have done the counting 201 to 250. And my little kids, you all have sent the homework pages to me. That was very, very beautiful, and you all are doing very good. So, let's start the today's class. In today's class, we will do the counting from 251 to 300. Okay. Now, my little kitty pies, bring out your notebooks quickly and start writing on that. Okay. Hurry up. Very good. So, open the notebooks and write date and day on your notebooks first. Okay. So, what is the date today? Tell me, what is the date today? Yes, yesterday was 22 June and today is 23rd June. So write 23 6 2021. And what is the day? Yes, Wednesday. Very good. Wednesday. Wednesday. Now write the topic counting 251 to 300. You all have learned the counting from 201 to 250? Yes, have you all learned? Good. Now we will start writing. Okay. HTO. Ones, tens, hundred. HTO. 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 Now you have to speak the counting with ma'am and also write the counting in your notebook. Okay? And writing कैसी? Yes, beautiful handwriting. Very good, neat and clean. So start 251. 251. 251. 252. Very good. Speak with me. 253. 253. 253. 254. 255. 256. 257. 258. 259. 200. What will comes here? Yes, 59. What comes after 59? Yes, very good. 60. 260. The next line is 261. 261. 261. 262. 262. 263. 263. 264. 264. I hope you all are speaking and writing with me. Yes, write कर रहे हैं सभी. Very good. 264, 265, 266, 267, 268, 269, 270. Done? Very good. The next line. Next line कौन सी है? 200. Yes, 71. Very good. 71. 71. 271. 272. 273. 274. 275. 276. 277. 278. 279. 280. 281. 282. 283. 284. Yes, speak loudly. 285. 285. 286. 286. 287. 287. 288. 288. 289. 289. 290. 290. 290. 291. 291. 292. 292. 293. 293. 294. 294. 295. 295. 296. 296. 297. 297. 298. 298. 299. 299. Now the next and last number is C 300. 300. 300. 300. I hope you all have done the counting 251 to 300. Yes? Very good. Now, what will we do? Yes, we will do the quick recap of 251 to 300. Okay, speak after ma'am. 251. Yes, speak loudly. 251. 252. 253. 254. 255. 256. 257. 258. 259, 260, 261, 262, 263, 264, 265, 266, 267, 268, 269, 270, 271, 272, 273, 274, 275, 276, 277, 278, 279, 280, 281, 282, 283, 284, 285, 286, 287, 288, 289, 290, 291, 292, 293, 294, 295, 296, 297, 298, 299, 300, 300. Yes, learned? Easy hai? Very good. My dear students, I hope you all have done this work in your notebooks and also learned the counting. Yes, those who have not done till now, they can do and send the pictures of this work to ma'am till evening, okay? And all you have to learn the counting from 201 to 300 at home, okay? Bye-bye. Take care. We will meet in our next class.